Hello everyone, welcome to the sixth episode of the Prince2 Introduction series. In the last video we looked at the Prince2 principles. In this video let's look at the themes. So what are Prince2 themes? Uh, Prince2 themes actually describe the areas of project management that must be continuously addressed. Um, it believes that any project manager who gives thorough attention to these uh, themes will definitely fulfill the role in a very professional way. Um, it addresses the questions why, who, what, how much, when, what if, and so on. These are the common questions that we come across in the course of the project. So the way the Prince2 themes are carefully designed and linked together gives you the tools and techniques to manage the projects effectively. So, so let's start looking at the seven themes one by one. The first theme is the business case theme. Uh, this answers the questions why are we doing the project, and it also states the reasons for doing the project. Uh, any project, it actually starts with an idea which is considered to have a potential value for the organization. Uh, the business case theme addresses how this idea is developed into a viable investment proposition for the organization and how the project management will maintain the focus on the organization's objectives throughout the projects. The next theme is organization. But this theme, the organization that is sponsoring the project needs to allocate the work to the managers who are responsible for meeting the project objectives. This answers the questions who, what are the roles, and what are the responsibilities of the project team members. This theme describes the roles and responsibilities of the project management team required to manage the projects effectively. The quality team. The quality team tells you what is being developed and what is the level of quality that is expected. Well, the initial idea will only be understood as a very broad outline. Quality team explains how this outline is developed so that all the participants understand the quality requirements that are going to be delivered with the project, and also how the project management team will ensure that these requirements are delivered eventually as a product or a service. The plan theme addresses the question how much, and when. So basically, it looks at how is the project done, how many resources are required, and when do we finish the project. Prince2 projects uh, proceed, on the basis of a series of approved plans. So plans themes actually complement the quality theme by describing the steps required to develop these plans, and also explains the different techniques that should be applied. In Prince2, the plans are matched to the needs of the personnel at various levels of the organization. Risk. Risk answers the questions what if. Well, any project is bound to have uncertainty as we are trying to build something unique. So risk theme addresses how much project management manages uncertainties in its plan, and also and how to enhance the opportunities. Change. Uh, change theme basically looks at what's the impact of change, and it also provides you a procedure for documenting and handling changes. So any procedure for change should definitely be analyzed thoroughly. We need to ensure that the impact of the change is thoroughly analyzed, and only then taken forward. The next theme, progress, looks at where are we now, what are we doing, and should we carry on. This theme actually explains the decision making process for approving the plans, the monitoring of the actual performance, and the escalation process if events do not go according to plan. Eventually, the progress theme also determines whether and how much project should proceed.